Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to Cookmas, where I'm uploading a holiday themed recipe every single day this month from December 1st to the 25th. So today we're making some Christmas pudding cream puffs. So these are chocolate flavored cream puffs and they're decorated to look like Christmas pudding. I love these so much. I think they're so cute. And for an extra festive touch, you could also add like some gingerbread seasoning or spices into the pastry cream to make it taste extra festive. So let's get started. So first, to make the cream puffs, in a large pot, combine the water, butter, sugar, and salt. Set it to high heat and bring it to a boil. Stir in the flour with a wooden spoon and mix until a film forms on the bottom of the pan. Transfer the dough to a bowl and cool for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the eggs one at a time, stirring vigorously and completely incorporating each egg after each addition. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip and pipe 1.5 inch rounds onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Wet your fingers and smooth any pointed peaks. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Cool on the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack and cool completely. To make the pastry cream, combine the sugar, cornstarch, and salt in a pot. Add the milk, egg yolks, and cocoa powder and whisk together. Set to medium heat and whisk constantly until it comes to a boil. Once it thickens, remove from the heat and add the vanilla extract and butter. Strain through a sieve and cover with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface. Refrigerate until it's chilled. Then transfer to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Poke holes into the base of the cream puffs and fill them with the pastry cream. To decorate, combine some confectioner sugar and whipping cream in a bowl, and then spoon this over the cream puffs. Pipe holly onto the top of each cream puff with some piping gel, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. To make sure that you don't miss out on tomorrow's video, hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell notification button so you get notified when tomorrow's video goes live. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for another new video. Bye!